Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, today we are going to start the part 4 of our chapter 14, that is electric current and its effect. So, first is here about we will learn the magnetic effect of electric current. Dear students, in the year 1820, Hans Christian Oersted observed the deflection of a compass needle placed near a current carrying wire. So, this observation showed that there was a connection between electricity and a magnetism. So, what was Oersted's experiment? Here is a picture. See, in this, when the switch is closed, the current flows through a non-insulated copper wire, and we observe the deflections of the compass needle. And here the Oersted used back in 1820s, then he started. We know that a compass needle is a tiny magnet and the presence of another magnet causes it to deflect. So, from these two observations, we can easily conclude that when an electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. So, this is the magnetic effect of electric current. Now, what is electromagnets? The magnetic effect observed in Oersted's experiment is not so strong. By altering the setup of this experiment, we can create a temporary magnet of greater strength. So, we call it an electromagnet. See here, the paper clips will remain stuck to the iron nail for as long as the battery is connected to the wire. So, what is this? In this, an electromagnet is made from a core, generally you can say a soft iron, that is wrapped in coil of an insulated conducting wire. And when an electric current flows through the wire, the coil behaves like a strong magnet. And as soon as the current is switched off, the coil loses its magnetism and returns to normal. Therefore, an electromagnet is temporary magnet, you can say. Now, what is the strength of an electromagnet and its applications? So, dear students, the strength of an electromagnet depends in the following factors. The first one is here, the strength of current in the coil. Here, what does happen? A stronger current through a coil increases the strength of an electromagnet and vice versa, and the strength can be increased by connecting multiple cells to the coil of the electromagnet. One side is a weak and second is strong. Second is the coil, the number of turns in the coil. A greater number of turns in a coil increases the strength of an electromagnet and vice versa. Third application is here, that is the material of the core. When magnetic material, means iron nails you can say, are used as a core, the strength of an electromagnet is greater. But when a non-magnetic material, for example wood, paper is used, its strength is lesser. Now, what are the applications of electromagnets? Electromagnets have a number of uses in the world around us. For example, they are used in scrap yards to separate iron from the scrap so that it can be recycled. They are also used in hospitals by doctors to detect anomalies inside our bodies. They are used in household appliances like fans, radios, mixers, motors, etc. They are also used in sound equipments like loudspeakers and headphones. So these are the applications of electromagnets. Electric bells. So what are electric bells? An electric bell contains an electromagnet consisting of coils of an insulated wire wound around an iron rod attached to a clapper and a bell. So in this what happened? When an electric current flow through the coils, the wire acts as an electromagnet and attracts a piece of iron attached to a clapper. And the clapper hits the bell and makes it ring. And after the clapper hits the bell, what happens? The circuit opens and the circuit stops flowing, the electromagnet turns off and the metal returns to its original position. So what happens? The circuit keeps turning on and off as long as the switch is pressed. Thus ringing the bell multiple times is quick succession. Of this electric bells, you can see the diagram of this electric bells in your lead book, page number 84 also. So dear students, now your chapter is complete. Soon I will send you all the exercises and answers of this chapter. Till then, revise all the chapter, and if you have any problem, ask to me or send me the message on WhatsApp number. Till then, thank you and have a great day.